an innovation, people say think out of box. And when we think out of box or when we get an innovation or an innovative idea, the first thing is we have to protect our idea by applying the patent. I, Shruti BH, welcome you all for today's webinar on patent system in India. On behalf of our principal, Dr. S.S. Inchingiri sir, and our IIC coordinator, Dr. Anil Devangami sir, I welcome today's eminent speaker for this evening, Dr. Sharanagowda, Assistant Controller of Patent and Design, Head of Biotechnology Group, Patent Office, Chennai. Welcome you, sir.
Yeah.
Now
Thank you.
welcome, sir. Now I request Dr. Bharti madam to give a brief introduction about today's speaker. Over to you, ma'am.
Yes, Shruti, thank you. So, on behalf of Basaveshwara Engineering College, I once again welcome Dr. Sharan Gowda, and it's my pleasure to introduce today to this gathering, Sharan Gowda. Before this, let me say a few words about BEC to Sharan Gowda sir, because all the students, staff here, all are from BEC sir. Maybe if you with interest they have joined. The Basaveshwara Engineering College is a very old college. Maybe you are knowing it. You are also from Karnataka. I am very happy to say that the college. So, in under Innovation Council, we are conducting this webinar, 1 hour webinar, and we will be giving exposure to the students this cell. So today you are here under this IIC activity. So let me introduce Dr. Sharan President Authority India, and he is also having international and national journal publications. And I'm very proud to say to the students, he got the Young Scientist Award from NASA. NASA is National Environmental Science Academy. Am I right, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So New Delhi, he is the he got Young Scientist Award, and he has delivered almost more than 150 lectures at various university institutes, companies, and colleges on especially the patent system of India and its role in development, and also on IPR along with biodiversity issues. Here I present Dr. Sharan Gowda. Today, I'm very happy to announce that a very expert personality and who can guide us, who can help us in patenting. Welcome you, sir. Thanks for accepting our invitation. And over to you, sir. You can start your presentation.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
And before this, I also welcome all the participants to this webinar. There are my colleagues are also there, and students are there. Students as well as the faculty, if you have any queries, you just note it. After the presentation, we will have a discussion session. Okay, over to you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for introducing. I take this opportunity to thank Basaveshwara Engineering College. It's a very well known. I know that. So I thank Bharti madam for giving me this opportunity to share my experience in the office, what I have learned 16 or 17 years in the patent office with you all. So all the faculties we have joined. So from of the Basaveshwara Engineering College and all the students who are having any queries on this aspect, because this is a very odd subject when we consider from the academic point of view. So lot of attention and we can make use of money with the patenting, all these things. I will just go to the basics of patent system and how we work in a system in India. So I will summarize. If you have any queries on that, I welcome those either in the between or we can have, because this is a webinar. So it will be after the session, we'll have a discussion on those aspects. So I first give my presentation on the topic, that is patent system. So I will go for that, sharing my presentation, which is a patent system in India. So I'll present it now to all of you so that I just be benefited. Yeah. So hope all are getting my presentation, ma'am.
Yes, sir, it's visible, sir.
Okay, it's visible, no? Okay. So what I am just taking you all in India, we recognize there are several IPRs. So patent is there, trademark is there, copyright is there. Then you have design, industrial designs. Then you have the geographical indications, which are the 5 prominent IPRs. Among them, the patent is one of that. So patent, that patent, so it has very small difference with a patient. If I put extra one eye, so you will become patient. So the people will always say with us, so many times, no sir, we are working for several years, we have become patients for working this, so still you are not granting a patent. So that was the olden things. Now we have moved very fast. So I congratulate Madam, even Bharti Madam, she is granted with a patent recently. I think 3 or 4 months back, one patent. So I think she has applied several patents. That's what I know. So it is, what is the patent? It's an exclusive privilege given to the applicant. You are looking that government of that country will give for a limited period to exclude, that is to prevent what, for this exclusion from making. So that is you can prevent the competitors from making, using or selling the invention without permission. Whatever the invention, I'll come what is the invention bit later. So any technology you have got a patent which you have invented it, and that no one can, your competitors at the marketplace can use without your permission. That is the monopoly right given to you. That is the exclusive privilege given to you by the government. If it is in India, it's only government of India, so which can regulate this. That is the offer by the government for these scientific invention. See, keep in mind that it's an exclusive privilege, such a huge reward to the inventors, that one person is granted against the 1.3 billion population. So though 1.3 billion population can see in the website, but they cannot use see. So that type of huge reward is given for the inventions, that is technology development. So here, what are the advantages? A major advantage is that the patent system, or the giving a patent to a inventor, is avoids the duplication of the research. Same research so it has a value. Invented this, and he has not given complete selling the rights of this invention to the company, because Coca-Cola wanted to acquire that technology, but he has never sold it, but instead he has given a license to the Coca-Cola company, and other companies, they want to use this. By that way, he has earned on an average 1.2 crores per day for 20 years. You can calculate it, how much it will come. So on an average, the 1.2 crores per day, this one simple technology has yielded in. I'm not saying that all technologies will fetch you this amount, but there is some technologies which can be worked in the marketplace. If you have any technology, if you are patenting, so for example here, if he is not having any patent on that, if it would have been released into the market, anyone would have been copied that. Even Coca-Cola company could have been copied that without paying any royalty to the inventor. But here, that one inventor from UK, he has assumed the significance of that in the marketplace, licensed it, and he has earned this much returns. So there will be if your technology is accepted by the market, so you can get a huge rewards. So that is the strength of your invention. Next, a paper clip. So there are 400 paper clip patents which are sold for a 535 crore rupees. Huge. If someone in India says, I have invented a paper clip, people may laugh. What is there in that invention? But there are patents which can be for the minute things also you can get a patent. But you have to show the advantage to the society, advantage to the market. So then there will be a marketable product out of that. So that can fetch you the royalty by your invention. It's not that. So our traditional, so such type of technologies can be a rewarding technologies. So it can fetch a lot of money to the inventor. So simply, if you are having any technology which is a worth in commercializing, so then you need to go for the patent way. Otherwise, anyone can easily copy your technology. Now, how to patent it? The question arises. So I just briefed you on the what is patent, a monopoly right given by the government of India to the applicant for a limited period. So for a limited period means patent is today, if anyone files a patent on 31st March 2021, so it will be a 20 years from this day. The term is fixed. Expiry will be 31st 3 2041 is the expiry. 2041 is the expiry. So you have to encash your technology within 20 years period of time. That is the maximum time given for you. So in between, any time it can be granted and you will be rewarded. After the grant, you can just sue if anyone is copying your technology. So don't expect that if I get a patent certificate, and patent office will give the money. No one. You have to market your technology. Then only you will be rewarded that through the mechanism of whether you are giving for the yourself commercialization or you are giving it to the industry to commercialize this. So that commercialization is a different aspect altogether, because it will be requiring the skills and the strength of your product or process which you have patented. Now, what are the requirements of filing a patent application? If anyone invents any technology, any field of science, whether it is any field, it can be applicable in any type of industry, it can be applicable. So you can file a patent application. But how to file a patent application? What are its requirements? So main act requirements, because patent is a techno-legal subject. There is a legal requirements, there is a technology requirements. You need to have a technology and you can apply legally to get a protection. That is techno-legal document you have to prepare. So what are the patentability requirements? There must be an invention. First and foremost, you need to have a invention. What is the invention? As per the Patents Act 1970, which is defined under section 21J, invention means a new product or process involving industrial inventive step and capable of industrial application. There are three aspects. One, you must have to invent first. You cannot expect that without an invention you can go to the patent office and ask for a patent. First and foremost, you must do a research, or you have to invent a new product or process which involves an inventive step. There must be some technological advancement and capable of industrial application. So now, new product or process. New means today if you are filing a patent application in India on 31st March 2021, till yesterday, that is till 30th March 2021, everything will become prior art. So for that similar products or same product, if it is published anywhere, in any journal, in any newspaper, or in any patent application, if it is published, then your product or process will not be having a newness or novelty. So you must be ensured that whatever you have invented a product or process, it must be a new one, and it must have a technical advancement, that is inventive step, and it must be having a industrial application, that is either it can be produced in a large scale or it can have any one type of industry utility. It can be in the FMCG, or it can be in any agricultural industry, or any discovery. There is a difference between invention against the discovery. If your invention, if your research is only to discover something which is existing in the nature, then it will not be patentable. For example, if someone isolates a microorganism which is a novel, inventive and industrial applicable, but you will not get a patent because it is a isolated living system which is now existing already in the nature. Same way, if you are isolating any chemical compound which is already there in the nature but no one reported so far, so then it is not patentable because it will qualify only for the discovery. Same thing, if you are coming up with a new use of a known substance, then it is not patentable. Any admixture, if you are not showing any synergistic effect, then it is not patentable. Arrangement or rearrangement of known devices is not patentable. A method of agriculture or horticulture to protect the farmers, the Patents Act provides that you cannot patent any technology which is used as a method of agriculture or horticulture by the farmers or gardeners. So these methods are not patentable. method, like doctors are protected by way of method of treatment of animal or including human beings, whether it is any method which is practiced by the MBBS doctor or Ayurvedic doctor or veterinarian, you cannot get a patent. So plants or animals, even genetically modified plants or animals cannot be a patentable subject matter. So in India, you cannot get a patent on computer program. That is, if your invention is software, so computer program you cannot get a patent, but computer hardwares you can get a patent, but not for the only softwares. So any copyright or design matter, which is literature or broadcasting rights, all these things you cannot get a patent. Any mental act or method of playing a game, like video game playing methods, you cannot get a patent. Any information presentation, like today I am presenting on a patent system in India, this presentation cannot be patentable because you can get a copyright on this presentation but not patentable. And topography of ICs, that is integrated circuits, topography is another matter in the another IPR, so it cannot be patentable. And last but not the least, a traditional knowledge, whatever Indian traditions or the whatever you have in knowledge in the form of like Ayurvedic formulations or Unani formulations or Siddha formulations in India, already some are documented, some are orally known. So you cannot get a patent on those traditional knowledge in effect. If that is equivalent, your invention is equivalent to the traditional knowledge, you cannot get a patent on those. And section 4 also says that it is not patentable when you are having an invention which is employing or using any nuclear fission or fusion materials like radium, thorium, uranium. If these are materials used in the invention, that is also not patentable technology because these are dangerous things. If someone comes up with a nuclear bomb invention, we will not give patent to that because even will not publish that invention. So you will not get patented. Researchers will not be encouraged for patenting such type of dangerous technologies. So those are the requirements, that is act requirements, that is novelty, inventive step and industrial applicability, and it should not fall under the section 3 or section 4. Now what are the documents required? I need to file? First and foremost, you can file a patent application, at least 4 minimum patent application, and you can get a grant. And form number 18, that is for the request for examination. Why I am stressing on this is that you can file this either today when you are filing your application or within 48 months. 4 years time is given. You can decide on that when to file. So these are the 4 minimum requirements. There are 30 forms I have just given you, which are important forms. So you can file provisional with a theoretical idea. You are not worked out with your invention. You are not completed your research. You can still protect your priority date by filing a provisional, and then within 1 year you can file a complete. So what provisional specification you need to file? It should describe the nature of the invention and contain the description of only essential features. So no need to give results and discussion and manner of doing, and no need to include claims also. Monopoly claims are not required to be filed in the provisional, but complete you need to file all the details. No secrecy can be kept, because in my experience I have found out whenever Indian research comes and protects their inventions, they will not give complete information to the patent office. They will fail of the complete specification. What the act is giving is this: fully and particularly describe the invention, and you give the best method. If you are using a biological material like microorganism, deposit in the International Depository Authority, and the disclose source and geographical origin. And if it is an Indian origin, you need to give permission from the National Biodiversity Authority, which is located at Chennai. So you have to apply through online or offline. You get a permission, and then you have to file in the patent office with that. So at least one claim is required. You can write draft any number of claims. So that is the forms preparation: form 1, form 2, form 3, and form 18. You can prepare easily except form number 2. So that takes a time to prepare. Once you have prepared, you can file application with the given fee. The fee is required. Natural persons fee is online filing 5,600 minimum. If you are filing e-filing, that is with a DSC, digital signature. So at this moment, I am just giving you information that we are also planning maybe in future with the OTP authentication, not DSC only compulsory. So with the OTP authentication also may come in future. That's under the plan. And other than small entity, if it is a college files or university files or the institute or any company files, then they have to file with the 8,000 plus 20,000 online, and 10% is the additional fee for the physical filing. If you are filing by post or by coming to the patent office, see, there are 4 patent offices located at 4 metros: Chennai, Mumbai, then Kolkata and New Delhi. So there are 4. You can go to patent office. If your jurisdiction is like from Bagalkot or Karnataka, you have to come to patent office Chennai only. Either through post also you can submit the application, or you can come over to Chennai and also file. That is the option. So by post you are sending an application means you need to take the demand draft of the required fee. That is, if you are filing in your name as a natural person, then you have to file 5,600 total fee, form 1 and form 18. So complete forms application fee. If you are from the BEC, that is Basaveshwara Engineering College name, then you have to file a fee as 8,000 plus 20,000 plus, if you are by post physical filing, that is 10% additional. So this is the fee structure. So if you are a expedited examination is available for startup, or any woman is a applicant, so then you have to pay extra fee. We will give within 1 month examination report, and if no objections, after 6 months it will be granted. That will be the fastest grant that can take place in 8 months. So now I have invention, I have prepared the forms. Who can file is the question. So any inventor, either alone or along with the other colleagues, they can file it. Who are all worked with the invention, they can file, or they can assign it to the any legal entity or natural person. They can also file. So any legal representative of a deceased person who has not filed a patent, by the time he reaches a patent office, he died. So any legal representative or higher can file the patent. So this is the jurisdiction for filing is that you can decide. If you are in Karnataka, you need to file in Chennai patent office. If you are filing e-filing, then it will be automatically selected with your jurisdiction. But if it is not e-filing, you have to select and send to that office. So website is giving information as it fee that is completes the filing of patent application. So then first and foremost objective is the publication of that application. So how publication happens? So if you are filing for invention, definition, and what are the requirements, physical requirements, fee requirements, and act requirements. That is new, inventive, and industrial applicable. It should not fall under section 3 and section 4. So if anyone is having a invention, So it's not that age doesn't matter, anyone can do. It's not that only PhD students or researchers has to invent, scientists have. So anyone can invent. Like I have shown a ring pull can. It is a simple inventor. He was not a researcher at all, but still he has invented and he has patented it. He earned a huge revenues. So like that, anyone can take the advantage of the patent system, and organized R&D activities can be made to use the judiciously patent system and capture the market and earn profits through the competition. In the open market, you do research and you can patent it and sell to the industry. Industry will pay the royalty to you. That's how the patent system works. If anyone is interested, even we will sometimes patent office will hire the or recruit the examiners also through different subjects categories, that is MSc in chemical and biotech, and for engineering subjects the minimum qualification is BE or BTech. Direct recruitment has been done in 2016 also we did, 19 also we did latest. So only last year they have joined in 2020, the 19 recruitment. So direct recruitment is there. So whenever we have a vacancy, we will notify and we will require the examiners. And those who are interested to work as a patent agents, also they can apply as an agent whenever 2 years once we conduct the exam. If anyone is having a science degree in any field of science or engineering or technology, who is attained 21 years and citizen of India, can apply for the exam. If they qualify, then they will be enrolled as a patent agent. So just like advocates, they can work with the patent office. And also those agents can work if they have a legal degree, LLB, they can work in the ITAB or courts for the suit and infringement suit and legal proceedings. So in this lecture, I just wanted to give you what is a patent and what are the requirements of a patent, how we process application in India. That's what I just wanted. So to share with you all. So thank you all for joining me and taking this opportunity of sharing the knowledge with you all. So I thank Basveshwara Engineering College for providing me this opportunity. So hope you all got some information through this. If any questions, we can have quickly question answer sessions. So thank you, ma'am.
At least a part of IPR is there in every branch. We also teach it, but today it's a very informative session, and we teachers got a good information, real information, what we wanted. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Students, if you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and you can ask. Feel free to ask. Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, you introduce yourself. Please. And you can.
Sir, I'm Nikita from Biotechnology branch.
Okay.
Sir, I'm having a doubt whether we can apply simultaneously patent for both the countries. If so, what will be the time period for getting the patent?
Yeah. So actually, the patent system has a different treaties. Like there is a Paris Convention treaty. I didn't cover because I thought it will be a brief introduction. 31st March only. So that is the advantage. That is, they will give priority date. So that is the one Paris Convention. In any receiving office, that is 4 offices, you can make it international application that covers almost 152 countries in that patent cooperation treaty. So there you can go for any country within 31 months. There the time allowed is, some countries allow 30 months, that is 2.5 years, and some allows like India 31 months. So there you will get a decision time huge. So you can file an international application, then you decide it which country you want to select and go for that country. So of course, we will never expect you to go on a same day to all countries. So there is a time, 1 year period is given for the conventional route, and in 30 months, that is 2.5 years, is given for the international application route. Whichever you want, you can choose it and go to that country. Hope you got the answer.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Laws which are territorial in nature. So maybe because even patent law is also territorial. We have a separate law. Sovereign countries having their own laws, they will regulate. Because, for example, we are not granting a method of treatment in India for an animal or human. But in US, you don't have a restriction. In Europe also, to some extent, they grant for the method. So this patent is a subject matter of their own jurisdiction. India has their own laws to govern what subject matter can be patentable and what is the law. So we have international framework only to judge the novelty, inventive step, and industrial applicability. But patentable subject matter will be decided by the individual country. So the rights are given by that individual country. Sometimes, so you can protect through that right. So in India only you want patent, you can apply only Indian office. But you want only US to patent, you can apply in the US and get a grant. Same way, US persons will also do reciprocate. We reciprocate. So that's why these laws are of individual countries. This is territorial. And when Indian government gives a grant, it will be applicable only in Indian territory, not in any other country, because India is a sovereign. So same way, that other country also you need to get a grant, then only it will be applicable in that country. Yes. Yeah. Any other questions?
Sir, I have one question. Prior art search,
Yes.
is it exactly like literature survey?
Yeah, that is exactly a literature survey. So, but in patent terminologies, we say it is
Patent? Some period will be
yes.
there. No? Application
So,
period.
yeah, there are two types. Early publication is there. Those they want to early publish, they have to pay extra fee. And like 2,500 for natural persons and around 13,500 for the companies or large entities. So they want early publish. Within 1 month we publish. Nowadays we are publishing within 1 week of filing. So we publish it very quickly. But in normal, it will take 18 months, because someone comes with the provisional, he can file it, and within 15 months he can also withdraw. There is a chance to withdraw. You want to modify further and then refile it again. But up to 15 months, we are not processing your application for the publication. Only after 15 months, we will process it, and we will publish it after 18 months. That is the normal period. There is no yes.
Sir, patent is a huge subject. But
Yeah.
sir, you have explained, you covered all the important points from patent, simple example, requirements, sections, areas of patent. So thank you for
Yeah.
accepting our invitation and sparing your valuable time with us, sir.
Yeah,
So
thank
there
you,
is one
ma'am.
more question in the chat section, sir.
Yeah. So there is about publication. Before publishing the journal, or can we apply for the patent after journal publication? So say for generally, as a Indian Patent Act, we have a concession. See, our academic researchers sometimes they are bound to publish. For example, some universities or some colleges, they say that you publish it quickly. So for PhD also they want some publications. So in those cases, we are giving a concession, though you are publishing in any journal. So within 1 year you file same research work, we will give a patent. We will not consider that as a prior art, your own publication as a prior art. But if it crosses 12 months, definitely we will consider that as a prior art. So, but my advice, sincere advice is that So you can file, and after that day, so today if you file, next tomorrow onwards you can publish in any journal. So we don't have any issue with that. But if it is some countries, they won't allow you this type of concession. Even in our office also, some controllers will stringently look at why you have intentionally published all these things. So it's better. So before publishing, you file a application and go for the journal publication. So after that, that is the advisable. Hope Santosh Kumar got the answer. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Please.
That was really limelight to all the topics which you covered in the today's session, sir. I thank our principal, Dr. S.S. Sinchingeri, sir, IIC coordinator, Dr. Anil Devangami, sir, even the Dr. Bharti Meti, madam, for providing an opportunity to conducting such programs under Institute Innovation Council 3.0, Basheshwar Engineering College, Bagalkot. I take this opportunity to thank the faculty members, external participants, student participants, IIC members for joining live session with us. So we'll wrap this session here. Thank you once again for your valuable time.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Ananda, who have joined. If any queries, you can write to me. We'll try to help you all. So thank you, ma'am, once again.
Yes. Thank you, sir. We need, we all faculty here are now started applying the patents, and we are into innovation. Our students are wonderfully working for the innovation things and all. So definitely we need your support, guidance. So always we take this opportunity, sir. Sir, students
Yeah.
are asking your mail ID if you can.
Yeah, I'm just sharing that, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Yeah, if anything is there, you can. So all the faculties and researchers who